Is it possible to obtain a McDonald's Gold Card, and if so, how?
Hello there, fast food enthusiasts. Today, we're tackling a question that has intrigued many. Is it possible to obtain a McDonald's Gold Card, and if so, how? This coveted card allegedly offers free McDonald's food for life. Let's dig in and uncover the truth.
What is the McDonald's Gold Card?
The McDonald's Gold Card, sometimes also referred to as the McGold Card, is a rumored card said to provide the holder with free McDonald's food for life. It's become a sort of myth in pop culture, with many wondering about its existence.
Does the McDonald's Gold Card really exist?
The answer might surprise you. Yes, it does. The McDonald's Gold Card is real, but it's extremely rare. It's not something you can just apply for. Instead, the card is typically given out by McDonald's as a promotional item or to individuals who have a special relationship with the company.
Who has a McDonald's Gold Card?
Very few people have the McDonald's Gold Card. Notable recipients include Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, who received their cards due to their connections with the franchise. Additionally, in 2018, McDonald's ran a promotional campaign where one lucky customer won a McGold Card.
How can I get a McDonald's Gold Card?
Unfortunately, there's no standard way to get a McDonald's Gold Card. As it stands, you either need to be a well-connected billionaire or get lucky in a promotional event. Keep your eyes peeled for future promotions, as McDonald's may give out another Gold Card. So there you have it. The McDonald's Gold Card does exist, but it's not easily obtainable. For now, we can only dream about unlimited Big Macs and McNuggets. Stay tuned for more exciting facts and trivia about your favorite fast food chains. Hope this video has satisfied your curiosity.